Have you ever wondered why modern architecture looks the way it does? Why it leans towards simplicity, functionality, and innovation over ornamentation? What sparked this transformation in the architectural world? Let's unfold the story of modern architecture together. Modern architecture didn't just appear overnight. It was a response to the sweeping changes of the 20th century. Rapid urbanization, the rise of new technologies, and shifts in aesthetics all played a role. Architects started to question the ornate designs of the past, seeking new ways to reflect our evolving society. The result was a movement that prized functionality, simplicity, and innovation over tradition. As we moved into the 20th century, architects began to reject historical precedents and pursue innovation. Modern architecture is defined by a few key principles. It's a world where form follows function, where the design of a building bows to its purpose. It's a realm of clean lines and geometric shapes, free from unnecessary distractions. It's an era where ornamentation was discarded unless it served a practical purpose. It's a period of exploration with new materials and technologies. And it's an age where natural light and open spaces take center stage. These principles have guided modern architects in their pursuit of functional and aesthetic innovation. The influence of modern architecture is everywhere in today's world. From sleek skyscrapers to minimalist homes, its fingerprints are unmistakable. Modern architecture has shaped our cities and our lives, championing open spaces, natural light, and functionality. Today's structures, be they corporate offices or cozy residences, echo the principles of form follows function and less is more. So the next time you see a building with clean lines, large windows, and a lack of ornamentation, remember, that's modern architecture. Did you know the roots of modern architecture can be traced back to the 1893 Chicago World Fair? This is where architect Louis Sullivan planted the seed of a revolutionary idea. Form should follow function. This notion became the bedrock for future modern architects like Frank Lloyd Wright, Staatliche Bauhaus, Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, and Le Corbusier. Moreover, the 1932 architecture exhibit by Philip Johnson ushered in the era of international modernism or international style. These architects and movements laid the groundwork for the modern design aesthetic that continues to shape our cities today. Modern architecture, with its diverse styles, has several defining characteristics. Let's delve into these. First off, we have flat roofs. Modern structures often feature flat or slightly sloped roofs, emphasizing horizontal lines and contrasting with the verticality of traditional buildings. These flat surfaces can serve multiple purposes, such as hosting rooftop gardens, terraces, or solar panels. Next up are the geometric forms. Modern buildings tend to lean towards simple shapes like cubes, rectangles, or cylinders. These shapes convey a sense of order and harmony, offering modular and flexible design and efficient use of space. The color palette of modern architecture also plays a significant role. Buildings often sport white or neutral colors like gray, black, or beige. These shades provide a sense of cleanliness and elegance. Plus, lighter colors reflect light and heat, aiding in reducing energy consumption and improving thermal comfort. Then we have the glass walls or windows. These features create a sense of transparency and connection with the outside world. Glass allows for natural light and ventilation, enhancing the mood and health of the occupants. Finally, there's the exposed structure or materials. Modern buildings often reveal the structure or materials of the building. Think steel beams, concrete slabs, or brick walls. This exposure creates a sense of honesty and authenticity, showcasing the craftsmanship and quality of the building. These characteristics not only define modern architecture, but also contribute to the efficiency, functionality, and aesthetics of the buildings. Modern architecture continues to influence building design well into the late 20th century. Its timeless principles shape our surroundings, marrying function and form while pushing boundaries of innovation. Have you ever wondered about the most iconic modern architecture around the world? Modern architecture, born from the technological advances of the Industrial Revolution, has significantly impacted our society, shaping the way we live, work, and play. Now let's dive into some examples of these architectural marvels. First on our list is Villa Savoye in France, a quintessential example of modern architecture. Designed by Le Corbusier, it embodies his 5 points of architecture: pilotis, roof garden, free plan, free facade, and ribbon windows. A true machine for living, Villa Savoye stands as a testament to modernism. Next, we travel to Pennsylvania to marvel at Falling Water. Crafted by Frank Lloyd Wright in 1935, This masterpiece of organic architecture harmoniously integrates with its natural surroundings, built over a waterfall using local materials like stone and wood. Falling water is as much a part of the landscape as the trees and streams. From residential to industrial, let's now explore the Vegas factory in Germany. A true landmark of industrial architecture, the Vegas factory utilized innovative materials and technologies of its time. Steel, glass, and concrete harmonize, creating a space that's as functional as it is efficient. The Vegas factory showcases the beauty in functionality and efficiency. Lastly, we venture to Australia to witness the iconic Sydney Opera House. Its innovative, expressive forms, inspired by sails and seashells, beautifully respond to the site's climatic and acoustic conditions. This architectural marvel transcends its physical form, embodying social and cultural significance. The Sydney Opera House is more than a building. It's a symbol of architectural innovation. From homes to factories to cultural landmarks, modern architecture has left its mark all over the world. As we've seen, it's a testament to human ingenuity, embodying innovation and harmony with nature. Stay tuned for more architectural explorations, and remember, architecture is not just about buildings, it's about the stories they tell. For more fascinating insights into the world of architecture, follow us and visit our website at www.buildingslead.com. Stay tuned for more.